Welcome! Mag-online tripping tayo, kabayan. Brookstone Park sa Cavite. Ano pang inaantay mo? But before anything else, click subscribe and like to this channel. So here, Brookstone Park sa Cavite is located in Governor's Drive. Yan sa Trece, Marteres. As you can see, the video is ongoing on construction. So that will be 20 minutes is nasa PITX ka na through sa may SM MOA. So there you go, dyan ka dadaan sa may PTX. So sa mga lugar na malapit is we have the Robinson and we have also the City Hall ng Trece. So again, as you can see with this video, is makikita natin kung gaano ka-accessible ang lugar. So, no worries, kasi malapit kayo sa hospital, SM City 𝐷𝐻𝐵. Again, Governor Drive, where the Brookstone Park is located. And take note, it's just 1 hour ride. Nasa Tagaytay ka na. Cool, diba? Kasi nasa malamig na lugar ka. So, as we proceed with this video, you can see na malapit kayo sa Pure Gold, pamilihang lungsod ng Trece, watermark which is 3.1 km away from the property, TESDA Cavite Provincial Office, we have the City Hall of Trece, elementary school is just right across the property. And we have the Notre Dame Hospital. So, napaka-accessible dahil malapit kayo sa lahat. And even the university and high school. So, walang problema sa pag-aaral ng ating mga anak. As you can see, sa hospital is napakalapit. Anytime, pwede kayong pumunta para magpa-check up. Hindi kayo mababahala. Alright, as you can see for the video, we have all of this access na ibibigay namin sa inyo. Ibibigay ng Brookstone Park sa inyo. So again, welcome to Brookstone Park. Here it is. Just see the video. And we have also guardhouse. We have amenities. Kompleto. Kasi meron tayong basketball court. We have also children's park para sa mga kiddos. And good news, over 80% sold out na ang Phase 1. So, soon to rise ang Phase 2. So, ano pang inaantay mo, kabayan? Why not avail and take advantage of this? We have also Anika, the single attached. As you can see on the video, is ongoing po ang kanilang construction sa site. So, this is a semi-complete and complete turnover. Ang cool, diba? So, ano pang inaantay natin? Gamit mo na lang ang pwede mong dalhin sa loob. Pwede ka nang tumira. So, again, as you can see the video, it's ongoing construction. So, we have the Anika, the single detached. It's an up and down unit. There we go. And we have also the Preselling Townhouse na 2-bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, and with carport. Kaya mga buyers na may sasakyan, walang problema dahil may carport po ang unit na ito. There we go. As you can see on the videos, ongoing construction. And if you have time, we can also bring you there to para mag-tripping. So sign up now, and if you are a Pag-ibig member or even not a Pag-ibig member, we can help you. So there you go. Maraming salamat po. God bless you all buyers, and please subscribe.